Welcome and hello for everybody. Our lesson today about carbon dioxide. Firstly, percentage of carbon dioxide gas form about 0.03 100% of the volume of the atmosphere. As you see in this picture, carbon dioxide chemical structure. We can conclude that chemical structure of carbon dioxide gas, yes, consists of one carbon atom and two oxygen atom. Again, from this picture in the previous slide, it consists of what? One carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. So that what is the sources of carbon dioxide gas? Carbon dioxide gas produced as a result of firstly burning or combustion of organic materials such as what? Wood, coal, oil, gasoline and tobacco, so that burning or combustion of these organic materials result in forming carbon dioxide gas. Second source is combustion of big amounts of fuel in factories and means of transportation machines. Burning of fuel in these items produced carbon dioxide gas and considered as a source of carbon dioxide gas. Third one, respiration of all living organisms. Respiration process in human is considered as a source of carbon dioxide gas. So that this activity do detect carbon dioxide gas in exhaled air. It's alarm water. When carbon dioxide gas is entered to the alarm water observation, it will turn this color to milky color or be turbid. We can conclude that exhaled air, yes, contain carbon dioxide. Another activity to detect carbon dioxide during the plant respiration. In this activity you will need a pin or pea seeds, a jar of test tubes, clear lime water, plastic tube and cotton and water. Firstly, proved some seeds of plants such as bean or pea in a jar on cotton or sawdust wood. Make a hole in a jar cover and insert a plastic tube through it. Fix it carefully using the clay as shown in this figure. Insert the other end of the tube in a jar of clear lime water and leave it for several days. What is the observation? Yes, lime water will change its color to be turbid or milky. The net result or conclusion of this experiment or activity, carbon dioxide gas is produced during respiration of plants due to formation of calcium carbonate. As we can explain that carbon dioxide is making a chemical reaction with lime water and forming calcium carbonate with a milky color. Another activity detectate the presence of carbon dioxide during burning of candle. Simple light candle. Fix a candle into a cylinder and light it. Cover the candle with glass cover and observe it until the candle will extinguish. Remove the cover and pour a little clear lime water inside the cylinder. What is the observation? Yes, lime water will turn to be milky in color. Conclusion that carbon dioxide produced from burning of organic substance such as wax, that is paraffin material derived from crude oil. How can we prepare carbon dioxide in laboratory? Simply hydrochloric acid reaction with calcium carbonate will produce carbon dioxide gas and will be collected in this cylinder. Observation: yes, carbon dioxide is collected into the cylinder. Conclusion: simply calcium carbonate will react with dilute hydrochloric acid to give carbon dioxide gas. But note that it will not be collected by downward displacement of water. Why? And this is very important point, because it dissolving in water so that it cannot be collected by displacement with water because it is dissolved in it. What is disadvantages or harms of increase of carbon dioxide gas percentage in the atmospheric air? Firstly, removal of forests lead to increase in carbon dioxide percentage in the air, which will cause harm to climate, such as firstly increasing the temperature of the earth, which known as global warming. Secondly, melting of snow at the two poles that cause the raise up of the water level. Suffocation. What is the meaning of suffocation? Suffocation is difficult and breathing in human. It's occur when carbon dioxide gas percentage increase above a mean value. It will cause suffocation. As you see, this is a global warming due to increase in the temperature of the earth due to increase in carbon dioxide gas percentage and melting of snow in polar, which will cause rising up in the water level and suffocation, as you see in the third picture. What is the properties of carbon dioxide gas? To know the carbon dioxide gas properties, take cylinders filled with carbon dioxide gas do the following activities. First one, turn a cylinder filled with carbon dioxide gas upside and down on a lighted candle. What is the observation? Yes, lighted candle will extinguish. Second one, insert a lighted magnesium ribbon in a cylinder filled with carbon dioxide gas. Observation: magnesium ribbon keep burning for a short time. After this time, it will extinguish, forming a white powder. and black substance that deposit on the wall of cylinder. We will know what has happened in the next slide. Final one, squeeze half of a lemon on beaker that contains a little amount of sodium bicarbonate, emission of carbon dioxide gas that has no color and no smell. So that from these activities we can dedicate the physical and chemical properties of carbon dioxide as it's colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. Below minus 18 degree, the gas change directly to white solid without first becoming a liquid, what's known as dry ice. Third one, it's soluble in water but a weak conductor of electricity. Chemical properties of carbon dioxide, it is relatively stable. Yes, as a first activity, it used in fire extinguisher. Why? Because it doesn't support burning. Third one, it's involved in photosynthesis process of plants. As we discuss in the activity of magnesium, there is an important point. He asks you, give reason magnesium ribbon keeps burning. Turns into magnesium oxide with white color and the carbon deposits on the wall of the cylinder. What's importance of carbon dioxide or uses of carbon dioxide? It's used in refrigeration or in refrigerator. Why? Because it converts into a liquid by pressure and cooling. Then the pressure is relieved, forming dry ice. Second one, it used as extinguishing fires. Why? Yes, because it doesn't help in burning. Third one, it used to make soft drinks. Fourth one, green plants use the carbon dioxide in photosynthesis process. Final one, to produce its food and oxygen. Other importance of carbon dioxide, it used to make bread and cake because it makes the bread more tasty and delicious. There is some life applications of carbon dioxide, but there is an important point. Why scientists call soft drinks as the useless food? Because it doesn't contain any nutrient, but drinking more quantities of soft drinks will mean more quantities of carbon dioxide, which will cause osteoporosis. Osteoporosis, it's a bone disease. Finally, carbon, this can cause this because it's lead to not getting oxygen gas, which is very important for vital process in the body. This is everything about carbon dioxide gas. You are welcome to ask us at any time. Thanking you for watching this video. You are welcome anytime.